If you want to check the battery health of your Motorola Moto G87, what you can do is you can open settings on your phone. Then over here we're gonna scroll down a little bit and we need to find the battery option. Now over here in battery we want to find the battery info here, and then in battery info we're gonna find the battery health status and also the battery capacity. So of course the health status is the percentage which indicates the condition of your battery, and if it's in a healthy state then most likely you have 100% or slightly below that. When it's getting worse, then of course the percentage is going to drop, and this is something that is inevitable. I mean, you will always drop the battery health status over here after some time. It might not be in like 2 weeks or 2 months or maybe even 6 months, but sooner or later you'll probably notice that the health status is going to lose some percentages. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.